I'm going to show you double crochet now. So we're going to skip 2 stitches in the beginning, 1 stitch where the yarn is coming out of, and the following one. And before I put the hook in, I'm going to make a yarn over the hook, and then I'm going to get into the stitch, bring the yarn through the stitch. Now you're going to see you're going to see 3 stitches on your hook currently. So you're going to do yarn over, yarn through first 2 stitches, yarn over, yarn through the second 2 stitches. So in groups of 2, and that gives you double crochet, which is a little bit taller than the single crochet. And I'm going to do a whole row of those. Yarn over into the next stitch, yarn out, 3 stitches, yarn over through the first 2, yarn over through the second 2. And I'm going to do this little sample to the end. Yarn over into the following stitch, yarn out, 3 stitches through the first 2, through the second 2, yarn over into the stitch, through the stitch, yarn over 2, yarn over 2, yarn over the following one, yarn out, 3 stitches, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. And just a couple of them left, just to repeat the movements. Yarn over into the last stitch, yarn out, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. In the end of this little swatch, instead of making just 1 chain stitch for the height, I'm going to make 2 stitches, 2 chain stitches, 1, 2. Now I'm going to flip the swatch, yarn over, and at this point I'm going to look at on the top of my little swatch, and I want to put my hook through both sides of that chain, same way as I did for single crochet, because I want my fabric to be flat and even on both sides. So yarn over, look at the top, through both sides of the chain, right? The hook goes through both sides of the chain. In, yarn over, hook through both sides of the chain, yarn over, again keep looking on the top, find the chains, find the chains, and keep repeating the same steps. So that was your double crochet.